It has been Japan's pride for providing the exquisite quality in housing construction, as well as the social infrastructure among the world. The third-party accreditation organizations certify such quality in the field of construction business in Japan. One of them is the Japan Testing Center for Construction Materials. We were established in 1963 to provide the quality certification for housing construction and social infrastructure of Japan. The Japan Testing Center for Construction Materials consists of 3 laboratories, which are Central Test Laboratory, Construction Materials Test Laboratory, and Nishi-Nihon Test Laboratory, and other 3 dedicated headquarters, one for ISO Certification Service, one for Performance Evaluation Service, and one for JIS Mark Certification Service. Among them, let us introduce the Construction Materials Test Laboratory. One of these, the Construction Materials Test Laboratory, serves the entire Kanto region of Japan. In various laboratories, tests are conducted to evaluate whether or not concrete, reinforcing bars, and other civil engineering materials satisfy the required quality and performance controls by meeting established standards and specifications. The main Construction Materials Test Laboratory conducts many operations, such as testing of concrete and metallic materials. Each laboratory is registered as an accredited body under Japan National Laboratory Accreditation, under the JIS law. It also has a quality management system complying with JIS Q 17025. The Construction Material Test Laboratories are also registered as accredited service providers under the Japan National Laboratory Accreditation and the Japan Calibration Service System, and as a certified Tokyo Metropolitan Class A, Class B testing organization. And some of the testing scenes. In concrete test, concrete and mortar specimens collected at construction sites are put through a series of strength tests and other tests. In this compressive strength test, the specimens deposited by customers are cured in air or water until they are ready to be tested in accordance with the specifications. At the Musashi Fuchu Test Laboratory, maximum test load of 3,000 kilonewtons is available for testing, while other laboratories up to 2,000 kilonewtons. In metallic materials test, steel test pieces collected at construction sites are put through a series of strength tests and other tests. The Funabashi Test Laboratory is equipped with the Kanto region's largest 2,000 kilonewton universal testing machines for long test pieces. This universal testing machine is used to perform tensile strength tests on reinforcing bars, base materials, and all kinds of couplers on fittings. Testing includes measurement of yield points, tensile strength, stretching, and the like. In earthquake resistance diagnostics, various testing procedures are carried out on concrete core specimens collected from existing structures, including testing of the static modulus elasticity and carbonation. In residential housing foundation concrete test, fresh concrete brought to residential housing construction sites is subject to slump test and air content test. As soon as a truck agitator arrives on a residential housing construction site, the delivery slip is checked and the fresh concrete is collected. Because the qualities of fresh concrete change from moment to moment, this testing is a kind of race with time. For civil engineering material tests, we conduct all manner of testing on road pavement asphalt mixtures. What you see here is asphalt extraction to extract only the asphalt portion from the asphalt mixture. With the asphalt extracted, the test sample is the remaining aggregate only, and by shaking and separating these, we can determine the component ratio according to the size of the aggregate. And many more, we test for various civil engineering materials. A quick response after just one telephone call. The Japan Testing Center for Construction Materials Test Laboratory is a business partner for all. Please use it.